Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can add another debit card on your Cash App. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. Now right now you can only add one card at a time on Cash App, which means if you want to add another debit card, you need to remove the current debit card which is on your Cash App. And you don't have to do it yourself. Once you enter a new debit card on your Cash App, your older one is going to be removed automatically, so you don't have to worry about that. Alright, so let me show you guys how you guys can add another debit card on your Cash App. Now before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you open Cash App. After you open Cash App, you want to click on this profile picture looking icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you see it, you want to click on it. Now once you click on it, you can see this option called Linked Banks. Make sure you click on Linked Banks. Now once you click on Linked Banks, it's gonna take you over here. And over here you can see your current debit card. Now what you want to do is click on your current debit card over here. Now once you click on a debit card, it's gonna give you these two options. From over here you want to click on Replace. Once you click on Replace, it's gonna take you to this place where you guys need to enter the 16-digit number of your debit card. Now once you enter the 16-digit number of your debit card, basically what you want to do is, after this it's gonna ask you to enter the expiration date of your card as well as the CVC number. After you enter that, your new debit card will be added on your Cash App and your older one will be removed. Alright, so yeah, that's how you guys can add another debit card on your Cash App. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.